In this video, we're going to show you the unboxing of an engine guard EGO1-3. So included in the kit, we have the digital temperature gauge. In addition, you can see this is the piezo buzzer, and on the cabling we have sensor 1, which will be connected to your temperature sensor, the bolt-on temperature sensor, normally located on the engine, normally on the cylinder head. And then sensor 2, that will be connected to the voltage interface. Now the voltage interface is designed so that you can either read voltage, or alternately it can be used to set up as a low oil pressure alarm. Importantly, the voltage interface has two ends. The end with the 2 wires, very obviously marked, it connects up to input 2, sensor 2 inputs. And I'm going to show you more later on about how to actually do the wiring, but you must match the colour, so match the polarities. Otherwise, on the bolt-on temperature sensor, there is no polarity. Hence on the white wires, they're both white. In addition, in the kit, you receive a quick set guide to adjust your set point, and we have the engine guard owner's manual, which is the full description of all the different settings.